We all know that the price of Tesla is currently declining, so why do investors keep buying? Watch this video to find out what could be your best course of action. I want to share with you a few compelling reasons why I'm buying Tesla stock and why I plan to buy even more. But before I do, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up to activate the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to Tesla Insights. Tesla stock is still declining, and while many investors may be concerned, I couldn't be happier that the lower the stock price goes, the more expensive shares I can afford to buy. If prices stay this low for the next year or so, which I believe they will, I might just be able to reach my goal. But let's see what happens. To rule the automobile industry, even though the market share of EVs isn't defined by the close of this decade, the automobile sector will undergo a revolutionary shift thanks to Tesla's electric vehicles. The shift to electric vehicles is imminent, and by 2030, practically all cars on the road will be EVs. Experts like Professor Ray Wills anticipate that all cars will be EVs by 2027. However, Gary Black and Elon Musk have different timelines. Tesla will be the most popular car brand worldwide. Nonetheless, legacy automakers' discontinuation of gas car models demonstrates the transition away from internal combustion engines. The fact that Tesla is able to take up 15 to 20% of the automobile industry and will continue to dominate all EVs is noteworthy. Global production scaling is difficult, but Tesla is leading the way in this regard, with BYD being its closest rival in terms of scalability. While there may be short-term swings, I am confident in Tesla's potential for development and innovation. As a long-term investor, I believe Tesla will become the most valuable company in the world at some point. Tesla's commitment to long-term success is in line with my investing philosophy. Tesla's unwavering emphasis on developing new technologies, their vision extends beyond energy solutions and autonomous driving, placing them at the forefront of the industry. Similar to Apple's dominance in the phone market, where it holds an average global market share of 18 and generates enormous profits, Tesla has a devoted and passionate following. Similar to Apple, which positions itself as an energy company that aims to transform transportation, Tesla's strong brand presence and loyal customer base will drive its success in the EP. Promote this brand. Equity strengthens their leadership position and provides them with a competitive advantage over rival automakers. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla's innovative approach and vertical integration add to its long-term promise. From battery technology to vehicle manufacturing, Tesla manages all part of its operations. This vertical integration gives them a competitive edge that allows for quicker innovation, cost savings, and quality control. Finally, Tesla's dedication to advancing the field of electric car technology and continuously enhancing its offering reinforces its position as a market leader. Tesla stands out due to their strategic stance and global expansion, and BYD is a key role in scaling manufacturing. The global reach and delivery capabilities of Tesla, their gigafactories across many nations, produce vehicles that are unparalleled in the world. And their future growth plans guarantee that they can fulfill the increasing demand for electric vehicles globally. Tesla is committed to promoting the adoption of electric vehicles and establishing a smooth ownership experience, and this is demonstrated by its development of infrastructure, including networks of superchargers. The Cybertruck is one feature that makes Tesla stand out. Let that sink in for a second. Tesla has received an incredible 1.5 million pre-orders for this unique truck. It appears that many people, including investors, have missed this information. When considering revenue potential, no other automaker can match the astounding number of pre-orders for a truck that Cybertruck has received. At $50,000 apiece, that's a whopping $75 billion, and with a 16% operating margin, profits could potentially reach $12 billion from pre-orders alone. Stay tuned for the next quarter as the initial deliveries of Cybertrucks will occur. But that's not the only thing. With production facilities being built in Mexico, Tesla has another trick up its sleeve. The next-generation vehicle, which is anticipated to hit the market by the end of 2024 or the beginning of 2025. Imagine that by the year 2000, Cybertruck production would increase to a daily rate of 250,000 to 300,000 units, while at the same time, $25,000 to $30,000 next-generation vehicles will also be produced. The scale of this project is immense. Now let's discuss the third reason to think that fully autonomous vehicles will succeed from Tesla. I'm convinced that Tesla will be the first business to figure out the code and overcome this difficult obstacle. Why am I so confident? Well, take this test into consideration. Just the customers drive over 120 million miles a day, with over a million of those miles being made possible by FSD. This enormous amount of information, gathered from actual driving experiences, offers priceless insights to advance and strengthen FSD capabilities. However, if we look at the competitors, it's evident that companies like Waymo and Cruise, with their multi-year lifelines, have only managed to drive a meager 1 million miles on public roads without assistance from humans. The FSD system of Tesla is currently, with data gathered from millions of miles traveled daily. I have complete faith in Tesla's capacity to solve the puzzle of fully autonomous driving. If they crack the code, it will revolutionize the game. FSD will play a big role in Tesla's offers, and Wall Street will start factoring it into their valuations. This will cause a huge spike in Tesla's overall worth, because it won't just be about how many cars the company sells. It will also consider other factors. For those who are worried about Tesla lowering prices and experiencing short-term margin declines, hold on. This is all part of Tesla's long-term strategy. However, you won't see it if you don't believe in FSD, in which case investing in Tesla stock might not be the best course of action. Take into account how many people are out for FSD and how many current Tesla owners choose to upgrade. Trust me, this is a huge development. Since I'm not a financial advisor, that's just my opinion. I understand that many of you may be nervous, especially if this is the first time you've seen your portfolio fall by 50% or more. I know it can be frightening and keep you up at night. But here's the thing. Investing is a long-term game. We don't think about the next few months or even the next year. However, there have also been times when the market has experienced a 400 to 500% increase in volatility, particularly when it comes to stocks like Tesla. We all know that Tesla is not just a car company. In fact, 85 to 90% of their sales and profits currently indicate that they are primarily focused on the automotive industry. However, mark my words, in the 2030s, energy will gradually but significantly become a larger part of Tesla's business. And once FSD is fully resolved, the company will transform into an AI energy company. This shift will have a significant impact on sales and profits, potentially accounting for 50% or more of their total revenue. In other words, Tesla won't just be about cars anymore. In other words, energy and FSD will emerge as the real giants when compared to vehicles. Wall Street won't fully understand these aspects of Tesla until after it has already occurred, similar to what happened in 2010 when the stock increased 5 or 10 times. This time, the surge won't be as dramatic, but once FSD is resolved and energy becomes a significant component of Tesla, I guarantee it will be a game changer. Before we conclude, allow me to give you some background. Remember Amazon? The company's management had been talking about the potential of its AWS service for years, but no one seemed to be paying much attention. People assumed it would never happen and that it would be a waste of money. However, guess what? AWS helped Amazon become the most valuable company in the world by the middle of the 2010s. We are currently seeing a similar situation with Tesla and FSD. While some argue that excessive competition makes regulatory approvals unfeasible and that countries won't permit it, the facts presents a different picture. According to data, FSDs can drive safer than humans. Give them another 2 or 3 years, and you'll see that FSDs are progressing significantly. By the 2030s, autonomous cars may become the standard, and people will wonder why you still bother to drive. I may be mistaken, but that's the way we're going, people. So please let me know in the comments section below if you agree. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to Tesla Insights for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.